Hello, welcome to this lecture video. In this video, I am going to explain oscillations and waves under which supersonic waves, applications of shock waves, which comes under Module 1 of Engineering Physics prescribed by VTU. Let us discuss the following points. So here I am going to discuss supersonic waves, Mach angle, shock waves and applications of shock waves. So what are supersonic waves? Supersonic waves are mechanical waves which travel with speed greater than the speed of sound, for which the Mach number is greater than 1. Fighter planes that can fly with supersonic speed, and the amplitude of supersonic waves is observed to be very large, and it affects the media through which it is traveling. And here in this picture you can look at a fighter jet which moves at a supersonic speed, and the sound waves produced by it is lagging behind it. That's what you can observe here. And the Mach number for supersonic waves is always greater than 1. So this is what the observation made in case of supersonic waves. And another concept is Mach number. So here the Mach number is nothing but the common tangents drawn to expanding sound waves emitted from a body of supersonic speed formulate a cone called Mach cone. The angle made by tangent with the axis of the cone is called Mach angle, denoted by symbol mu. Mu is related to the Mach number m with the following equation, that is mu is equal to sine inverse 1 by m, where m is Mach number. So this is what the Mach number. And when we look at hypersonic waves are waves which travels with speed greater than the speed of sound, and the Mach number for hypersonic wave is greater than or equal to 5. So this is what observed in case of hypersonic waves. And another type of wave is transonic wave. So here the transonic waves are having Mach number between 0.8 and 1.2. So here is a chart expressing Mach number and also speed of various objects. Now let us look at subsonic speed. Here the object speed is less than the speed of sound, for which Mach number is less than 1. And here sonic speed, that means when the object speed is equal to speed of sound, the Mach number is calculated as 1. And supersonic speed, here the object speed is greater than the speed of sound, for which the Mach number is greater than 1. And transonic, for which the Mach number is ranges from 0.8 to 1.2. And in case of hypersonic, the Mach number is greater than 5. So these were all the observations made with different velocity possessed by the object. Now let us look at what are shock waves. Any fluid that propagates at supersonic speeds gives rise to a shock wave. Shock waves are produced in nature during the time of earthquake and during lightning. When the velocity of object increases from subsonic to supersonic, we can hear the booming sound of shock waves. It is also considered as sonic boom. So any fluid that propagates at supersonic speed gives rise to shock waves. Shock waves can be produced by sudden dissipation of mechanical energy in a media enclosed in a small space or small area. For example, shock waves are produced by the time of explosion of cracker. The strongest shock waves are produced during nuclear explosion. Now let us look at the applications of shock waves. So it is used in wood preservation. So by using shock waves, chemical preservatives in the form of solutions could be pushed into interior of wood samples such that bamboo so that the life of wood can be increased. Kidney stone treatment. Here shock waves are used to shatter the kidney stones into small fragments, after which they are passed out of the body smoothly with that is through the urinary tracts. This is what the another application of shock wave. So used to treat the kidney stone. And shock waves associated, or it is shock waves assisted needleless drug delivery. By using shock waves, drugs can be injected into body without using needles. So that is another example of applications observed in case of shock waves. The drug is filled into cartridge, kept pressed onto the skin, and shock wave is sent into body using high pressure. The drug enters body directly to the pore, that is porosity of skin, without any pain for the patient. And it is used for the treatment of dry borewells. So shock waves sent through dry borewells clears the blockages and rejuvenates the borewell into water source. And it is used as high temperature chemical kinetic, that is ignition delay process. And also it is used in investigation of traumatic brain injuries, and also it is used in material studies, that is effect of sudden impact, pressure, blast protection materials, etc. Now let us look at a problem. The distance between two pressure sensors in a shock tube is 150 mm. The time taken by a shock wave to travel this distance is 0.3 millisecond. If the velocity of sound under the same condition is 340 meter per second, find the Mach number of the shock wave. Given x is equal to 150 mm or 150 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter, t is equal to 0.3 millisecond or 0.3 into 10 to the power minus 3 second, and the velocity of sound a is equal to 340 meter per second. So what is the value of Mach number? We know that v is equal to x by t and m is equal to v by a. So m is nothing but x by at. So substitute the value of x, a and t such that we are going to get an answer that is 1.47. That is the value of Mach number. The distance between the two pressure sensors in a shock tube is 100 mm. The time taken by a shock wave to travel this distance is 100 microseconds. If the velocity of sound under the same condition is 340 meter per second, find the Mach number of the shock wave. So here the value of x is 100 mm, that is 100 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter, and t is equal to 100 microseconds or 100 into 10 to the power minus 6 seconds, and a is equal to 340 meter per second. So what is the value of m? We know that Vs is equal to x by t. So substitute the value of x and t such that we are going to get Vs as 1000 meter per second. Then m is equal to Vs by a, that is 1000 divided by 340. So here a is nothing but velocity of sound. So after simplification we are going to get the value of m as 2.941. Thank you.